Kani kadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Wala kayeng syaribah klido jong kari India kalong kablak loy ban weng no ya ka hukum pensange di Dewïong hakini ka jela Meghalaya lada ka Sorkar jela kawan rai ka an bet ki Kyndon halor ka hukum ti ya ki mar pok khandau henry kum kalong menta ka Sorkar Meghalaya kampat la ban poi sekata ka thong haba pen sngo halor ka jingling apisa jong ki trai par Dewïong bagi brio ki batre ne kam u menteri rang ba ka jela Meghalaya u konrat kaungkal Sangma ha ka jinga kren ba ka Batisi TV ha ka khat nyau terek mentau banai rempang arajar arpho ulapan pau bagi Sorkar jela kadang Pynkhreh chat iki Kyndon ti mar pok khando kan thop yo Dewïong bat kumba kalong menta ki trai ni ki brio ki bapentre ne kam ti Dewïong ki la ban pen biang ki doler ki badan baro ringkat ka jing Pynkhreh ban buat renti ru thek ya ki Kyndon ti mar pok khando kat kum ka jok ka menta bat ya ka jing menjur hab ban yo ru na ka Sorkar pedeng haswa ban ti yo Dewïong akabai deipat baka jing shalan yo Dewïong baladep ti nakani ka jela ukonat ki Sangma ulaong baka Sorkar kala dep shong jingalang labun sien bat ka Coal India Limited CIL ka MSTC bat ka NGT banyo pelat no yau new Dewïong baladep ti.
Of course, as you all know, the Supreme Court had lifted the ban, but then it has laid down conditions and processes which need to be followed. So therefore, all the coal miners and the owners who are now the owners of the coal also after the Supreme Court ruling are free to now apply for or submit their mining plans, which then needs to be approved by the Government of India so that they can start the mining. So therefore, in regards to that, today we had a training session that took place. It's the first step. There will be many more such programs in all the districts, and different programs will be held for the different miners. And this will be a training process given to them on how they can apply for the mining plans. So once that happens, then they will be in a position to apply, and hopefully they'll get clearance from Delhi also. That's one part of the thing. Second part is the entire process for the transportation of the 32 lakhs metric tons is also at a very advanced stage. We had spent a lot of time with Coal India. We had spent a lot of time with MSTC, which is the minerals and scrap auctioning agency. We had a number of meetings with the NGT, and after a lot of detailed discussion, the final plan to transport is finally getting a much more clearer picture, since NGT is involved, MSTC is involved, Coal India is involved, state government is involved. So the process is quite tedious, but we're very happy to see the progress. Hopefully very, very soon we should be able to get a very clear picture on things. And apart from that, as I said, the mining plans and all those aspects are already two parties have already in fact applied to the state government with mining plans, and these are people who have done mining in different parts of the country as well as different parts of the world with a technology that is acceptable under the tunnel mining process and in the kind of the topography and the different kind of the topography that is there in our region. So therefore things are moving in a positive manner. It does take time. I understand that our miners are also concerned about it, and they should be also. But let me assure them that things are far more in a positive level than it was in the last 4 years. In the last 4-5 years, there was no sense of direction where we were heading, what is going to happen. At least we have a roadmap now. The question is now the implementing of the roadmap is a new process, and that's why it is taking some time. But let me assure everybody that government is working very hard on it. We have done our job in a very systematic manner to ensure that the Supreme Court, we fought the case in Supreme Court, we got a positive positive outcome from there. And now obviously the next step, which we're working in the past 9 months, 8 months now in fact, is to try and get the system in place, the policies in place, so that the mining can start. And for that also, as I said, training has started now on different levels. We had in fact completed the entire process of making the plan along with Coal India last year itself. By the month of September, October, it was already ready. But the NGT committee and panel had sat down and they were looking into those details, and that has taken a few months now. So since October, November, December, now January and February, So the NGT panel is studying that. But apart from that, from our side and Coal India's side, we had frozen the process in the month of October itself.